Hello students, I am teacher Krupa, your maths teacher. In the last two video lectures, I have solved question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.3 of lesson differentiation. The link of those video lectures I have put in the description. Do watch it. So today we will be solving question number 3 of this same exercise 3.3 and completing it. Okay, so let's move on. See the first sum. Y is equal to log x raised to x. Now this power is to the whole thing, log x, plus x raised to log x. Now over here we have to find dy by dx. What we will do is we'll assign some variable u and v to these functions. So your y becomes u plus v. Get it? So we'll say let u is equal to log x raised to x and v is equal to x raised to log x. Correct? So your y is equal to u plus v. Differentiating with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Fine. And what we will be doing, we will find this du by dx and dv by dx separately. Okay. So since u is what? Log x raised to x. That means f of x raised to g of x. So you have to take the log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, log u is equal to, now you know this x will come for multiplication, x into log of log x. Correct? Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to x into d dx of log x plus log x into d dx of x. Your u into v formula. Correct? First function as it is into derivative of this second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Now let us simplify. What will you get? 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to x into d dx of log x. So first you will differentiate the log of this function. Correct? That means you will get 1 upon log x. And then again d dx of this log x. So you get x into 1 upon log x into d dx of log x. 1 minute. Understood what I did? I have differentiated this log function. So for this I will get 1 upon x, that is 1 upon log x. And then into derivative of this log x plus log into log x, log of log x into derivative of x, that is 1. So what will I get here? Therefore 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to x upon log x into derivative of log x will be 1 upon x plus log of log x. So this x gets cancelled and here you are left with only 1 upon log x. Now let us take u on other side. So you get du by dx is equal to u into 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Right, now substitute the value of u. Du by dx is equal to u is what? Log x raised to x. So log x raised to x into 1 upon log x plus log of log x. This is your second statement. We have found du by dx. Then we will be finding dv by dx. And then substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Right? So v is what? X raised to log x. Again you will have to take the log function. Now v is equal to x raised to log x. So taking log on both sides, log v is equal to log x into log x. Now log x into log x will be log x the whole square. So this will be easy to differentiate. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 upon v into dv by dx is equal to, now this is first you have to differentiate using the formula x raised to n and then into d dx of log x. So that is 2 into log x, 2 minus 1 is 1 into d dx of log x. So you will get here 2 log x and this is again 1 upon x. So let us dv by dx is equal to v into, we will get 2 log x into derivative of this log x will be upon x. So dv by dx is equal to, your v is, what is v? X raised to log x. So x raised to log x into 2 log x upon x. This is your third equation. Now we have got du by dx, we have got dv by dx. So substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. So you get dy by dx is equal to, what is du by dx? The answer will be little longer. Never mind. Log x raised to x into 1 upon log x plus log of log x plus now dv by dx, that is this term, x raised to log x into 2 log x upon x. This is your final answer, dy by dx. So that completes the first sum of question number 3. Now see the second sum of question number 3. Y is equal to x raised to x plus a raised to x. Correct? Now over here you have the formula for a raised to x, that is a raised to x into log a. But we don't have a formula for x raised to x. So we'll have to derive it. So what we can do is, we'll say, let us first differentiate this directly. Differentiating with respect to x. So you get dy by dx is equal to dx of x raised to x plus d dx of a raised to x. Correct? Now, what is d dx of a raised to x? Let's keep this as it is. This you will get a raised to x into log a. Let's keep this on hold. This is your dy by dx. We will find the d dx of x raised to x. We'll say let u is equal to x raised to x. We have done this type of, same function in the previous sum somewhere. You can refer to that. So let u is equal to x raised to x, then taking log on both sides. You get log u is equal to log of x raised to x. So that can be written as x into log x. Now this is your u into v formula. So differentiating with respect to x. You get 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to x into d dx of log x. I think in question number 1 we had somewhere this type, this same function. Log x into d dx of x. So what do you get? 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to x into d dx of log x will be 1 upon x. So x into 1 upon x plus log x into 1 into 1. Now take u on that side. So you get du by dx is equal to u into this x gets cancelled, 1 plus log x. Correct? Now resubstitute the value of u. So d dx of x raised to x is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So we have got the value for d dx of x raised to x. So substitute 2 in 1. Therefore substituting two in 1. You get dy by dx is equal to derivative of x raised to x. That is x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus this term a raised to x into log a. That completes your second sum. The third sum, y is equal to 10 raised to x raised to x plus 10 raised to x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to 10 raised to x. Correct? In the power we have different combinations of x and 10. The base is same. So like how we did in the first sum uv, same way we'll do. Now here there are three functions. So we take u, v and w. So we'll say let u is equal to 10 raised to x raised to x, v is equal to 10 raised to x raised to 10, and let's take w is equal to 10 raised to 10 raised to x. So y is equal to u plus v plus w, and we will find the derivative of u, v and w separately and then put it in the equation. So now differentiating with respect to x, you get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. This is your first equation. Now we'll find separately the value of each derivative. Now what is u? U is 10 raised to x raised to x. So we'll have to take the log function. So taking log on both sides, you will get log u is equal to log of 10 to the power x raised to x. So this x raised to x will come in the for the multiplication. So x raised to x into log 10. Now don't take this as log 10 is equal to 1. Understood? It is not equal to 1 because over here the base is e, not 10. When log 10 to the base 10, we get equal to 1. But this is log 10 to the base e. So you can't take this as a equal to 1. Getting? But this will be a constant. Log 10 will be constant. That means you will only have to differentiate x raised to x. Correct? So now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. What will you get? 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to, now this log 10 will remain, it is a constant, so you can keep it as aside, and you will differentiate d dx of x raised to x. Now in the previous sum we have done what, you know what is d dx of x raised to x? It is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So directly we'll write it over here, but in the exam you will show what is the derivative of this x raised to x. Don't take the value directly. So you will get here 1 upon u into du by dx is equal to log 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log x, or du by dx is equal to u into log 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Now substitute the value of u. U is 10 raised to x raised to x. 10 raised to x raised to x into log 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. This is your second equation. Right? Now we'll find dv by dx. Now what is v? V is 10 raised to x raised to 10. Now v is equal to 10 raised to x raised to 10. So taking log on both sides, log v is equal to x raised to 10 into log 10. Correct? Now this, so differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 upon v into dv by dx is equal to, now this is log 10, you know it is a constant, so you can just keep it as it is, and you will differentiate only x raised to 10. Now what will be x raised to 10? You have to use the formula x raised to n. Correct? So you get, let's write this, dv by dx is equal to v into log 10 into x raised to n formula, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. So here you get 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1, that is 9. So your dv by dx is equal to, v is 10 raised to x raised to 10 into 10 log 10 into x raised to log 10 into x raised to 9. This is your third equation. And then we have to find dw by dx. And all this du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx will substitute in equation 1. That will give you dy by dx. Correct? So now what is w? W is 10 raised to x. So again take log on both sides. Log w is equal to, now here this 10 raised to x will come for the multiplication into log 10. Correct? So differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 upon w into dw by dx is equal to, log 10 is constant, so we'll write here, and d dx of 10 raised to x. Now what is derivative of 10 raised to 8? It is your a raised to x formula. That is a raised to x into log a. Now your a is 10. So into log 10 you will get. So this is dw by dx is equal to w into log 10 into 10 raised to x into log 10. Correct? Log a we write. So a is 10 over here. So you get dw by dx is equal to, w is 10 raised to x into, now log 10 into log 10 will become log 10 square into 10 raised to x. So this is your fourth value. Now substitute 2, 3 and 4 in 1. 2, 3 and 4 in equation 1. Equal to, what is your du? 10 raised to x into log 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Correct? Plus dv by dx. What is dv by dx? 10 raised to x raised to 10 into 10 into log 10 into x raised to 9 plus, now dw, 10 raised to x into log 10 the whole square into 10 raised to x. This completes your sum. So this is your dy by dx. So with this we have finished exercise 3.3. The next video lecture will start with the next subtopic and the next exercise. Till then, keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Goodbye.